Hi, George Williams, CEO and founder of Reliability X, and we're going to have a short video series looking at some basic opportunities to help either maintenance and or operations. So our first video is going to talk about alarms on the maintenance side, but let's kind of go through briefly what we're going to go over in this video and what the other ones might go over. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So on the maintenance side of things, some big opportunities are to eliminate nuisance alarms. We're going to go into that in a little bit of detail in just a moment. Looking at things like event rates, how often do certain things foul, we'll give you some hints and tricks towards that. Rework, eliminating rework is a big thing. And how do we develop PM routes and reduce some of our PM labor requirement? On the operations side of things, we're going to look at, well, if I don't replace a part, was it a maintenance issue? I don't know. We're going to look at design rates and teach you how to calculate overall opportunity. We'll look at what having balanced air means, which is totally different than just dry and clean. But we're going to look at air balancing. And we're also going to talk about our listening skills in maintenance and reliability to identify opportunity. So awesome. Let's dive right into our first topic for this video, which is alarms. So let's take a look at what the opportunity looks like from an alarm perspective. In your plant, or whether you're on the facility side of the fence, in manufacturing, in the public sector, or in services, it's likely that you have some type of building automation system or SCADA system at this point, and alarms come into a central repository. Those alarms can go through what's called a Pareto Analysis. So we can document the alarms in terms of, well, which alarms come in the most frequently. Just a quick story, in my past, we had alarms on freezers. I was in a research and development facility, and when a scientist would open a freezer, alarm point. Open the freezer, alarm point. And we would keep dispatching folks. And they never really said, do you know I'm going to the same exact freezers over and over and over again? Until we did a Pareto analysis and we found out that we had to A, educate some folks, don't leave the freezer door open, and B, put some delays on the alarm so that it doesn't happen immediately. And that helped us get rid of it. So what we want to do when we find recurring alarms and repetitive alarms is do a root cause failure analysis and understand what's driving that alarm, go back, update the building automation or SCADA system to account for either a delay or maybe a parameter change that can help eliminate that alarm. Or maybe you actually do have an impending failure that you want to remedy to help make that alarm go away. On our next video, we're going to be tackling, what are we going to be tackling on the next video? The next video, we're going to be tackling event rate and trying to understand what that is and how that helps us identify opportunity. Thanks for watching the video. Again, hit like if you love it. If you want to subscribe, hit that button too. That helps us out. Go make tomorrow better than today.